Coming up in this episode, branching progress on our E82 135i and taking you for a spin in our crazy E46 S54 turbo. Try to enjoy it at least as much as we did filming it. Now, fiberglass parts might be cool, lightweight, cost-effective and all of that stuff. But when it comes to fitting them, they could be a real pain in the ass. Take a look how we did the basic fit back at Jaka's place, as well as how we're gonna cope with gaps like this one, trimming the dash to fit the newly installed cage, and getting the complete interior ready to be painted. Racing is a contact sport. Regardless if drifting, circuit racing against your opponents, or even if you're on a track completely alone, you can still find a hard object to hit. And therefore, I prefer to have my body panels all bolted on. Easy fix is the keyword here. We're gonna use this tool to press in the pop rivet nuts to make our 1M body kit easily removable and replaceable if damaged. Our mission in this workshop is finished. It's now time for Jaka to take care of his 350 Nissan and for us to bring our E82 safely home. Rule number one: when building a race car, there is always much more fabrication needed than previously anticipated. For example, we had to reposition this dash cover so we can fit the dash and still be able to adjust our steering wheel. Crazy, huh? Such mods are nowhere to be seen when the project is finished, but still require humongous amounts of work. I certainly hope that driving the car is gonna give us so much satisfaction that all the extra hours are gonna be instantly forgotten.
And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la-la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time.
Yes, we did cut the dash, we've put it in, but now we want to make sure it stays in. So we have to fabricate a few brackets, bolt it down tight so it won't jump out when you accelerate hard with this beast.
Runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
We shall also take a look on how to deal with deformed fiberglass parts like this one. This does look pretty bad, doesn't it? Why does this happen? Well, fiberglass parts are meant to be fitted as soon as possible after being manufactured, not lying around for a longer period of time, because the deformities happen. But we have a solution for this. We learned that from Plastic Studio, thanks for that. And we shall show it to you also. So take a look. As you can see, the industrial hot gun really does miracles with glass fiber. Unfortunately, you cannot do that with carbon fiber, but hey, carbon fiber is supposed to be perfect when you buy it. This is actually starting to look quite good, but I think that's enough for today. So let's take our E46 turbo and make some white smoke instead of the white powder flying around. Wear your masks while doing that. Today we are at the most beautiful safety driving center in Slovenia, the AMZS Center Vransko. That's also my home track, so to say, because I work here, I train also here, I have my drift academy here, and we are filming a documentary about the starts of drifting in Slovenia. Why is that cool? Because we want to pass our passion on to the next generation. So enjoy the few shots.
Let the sun go down.
This is what I call soul healing. Days like this get me even more motivated to finish this one and get it on a track. I think it's gonna take a few more LMGlab episodes, but it better be worth it at the end.
Something's always up, just can't put my finger on it, but it's there.